Number 5, you're going to determine if the domain is discrete or continuous. Remember, the domain that they're looking for here is just your x values. Okay? So let's take a look at the x values. Here's the x value. The x value here is hours. Okay? This is time. Hours, which is time. Time can go on forever, right? People think that's what discrete or continuous means. That does not mean what it means, okay? Okay. What you want to think about it is more like if you can cut it in half, right? Can you have 1.5 hours? And the answer is yes. The fact that you can have 1.25 hours, you can now say this is continuous, okay? I'm going to show you what I mean by 1.5 hours, okay? Let's now take a look at B, okay? This is number of clients, okay? So can you have 1.5 clients? And the answer here is no. You cannot have 1.5 clients. You can't cut that person in half. Therefore, this makes it discrete, okay? That is the difference. Right? You apply this idea of the 1.5 test. If you can have 1.5 of something, right? The decimal version of it, the rational number version of it, it's continuous. Okay? If you can't have a decimal, you can't have a rational number of it, it becomes discrete. Right? So that's the idea of discrete or continuous. When you look at the chart, you have to look at the x values and apply the 1.5 tests. Here, this is a graph, okay? And you could also look at the values here, but take a look. This is plants, right? Can you have 1.5 flowers? And the answer is no. This is going to be discrete. Also, what you should notice that these are all dots, okay? The fact that they're all dots also proves that it's discrete. Likewise, if you look at D, notice here this is time. We already know time. Can you have 1.5 hours here? The answer is yes. This is going to be continuous. All right, and notice this is a straight. No, the straight part doesn't matter. It's more of a connected line. Is the visual of what a continuous is. Okay, so there you go. That's actually how you determine if something is discrete or continuous, either by looking at the x value, applying the 1.5 rule to it, or you can look at it visually on a chart. Or is it a dot for discrete, or is it a connected line for continuous?